in Viareggio. This is the beach. And we're going into the water because it's like 90 out. Cute little bookstore we found here in Viareggio. It's a coffee shop too. How cute is this? Here we go to the beach, Viareggio. Look how beautiful you go to the beach here. My goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at this cute courtyard.
Buongiorno. Abbiamo anche un ombrellone in riva al mare, cioè il mare è qui e l'ombrellone è lì. Viene 15 euro l'ombrellone con 2 sedie a sdraio, va bene?
Sì, sì. In Viareggio, and I think it's so pretty that the Dolomites just overlook the sea, and they're so pretty behind us with the city there.